I have some bad news. It's not Slow Cooker Sunday. But we do have a new meal prep for you. This easy Mexican casserole is packed with protein, has a ton of flavor, can be made multiple ways, and really doesn't take that long to make. So let's jump right into it. I haven't asked a question here in a while. That question today is, since this recipe uses beans, what are your favorite kind of beans? Let me know below. We're gonna start this one by preparing our mix. Add a tablespoon of oil into a stovetop pan over medium heat and let that heat up. Add in 1.5 pounds of a lean ground turkey, beef, or chicken and break it up. I'm using 93.7, but we'll make sure to put the macros for multiple variations as well as metric conversions for all of the ingredients used here and other substitutes you can use on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 1 chopped up green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, half a chopped up red onion, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Keep everything moving until your protein is browned, then drop your heat to low. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans, 1 cup of corn, fresh, canned, or frozen, all work great, and half a can of your favorite enchilada sauce. Mix all of those ingredients together thoroughly, then take your pan off the heat. From here, take out at least a 9x13 oven-safe dish. Into the bottom of it, add the other half of your enchilada sauce. On top of your enchilada sauce, we're gonna put 6 mini tortillas that have half a can of refried beans spread over the top of them. I went with these new 0 net carb tortillas, which are pretty good. Speaking of tortillas, who makes your favorite store-bought ones? Drop them in the comments below. Place those over the top of your sauce, overlapping as needed. On top of your tortillas, pour in your mix. I most never layer this. However, if you'd like to layer it with another 6 tortillas, you could pour in half your mix and repeat that step. To finish this off, I like to crush up a few tortilla chips for texture and sprinkle on 1 cup of a Mexican blend cheese. Throw it into the oven on 350 for around 30 to 35 minutes, or until your cheese on top is melted and your sides have started to bubble. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number 1, look for low or no sodium ingredients. This should be fairly easy to find for your canned ones. Number 2, you have a taco seasoning mix packet. This is a great substitute for your chili powder and ground cumin. I'll also include a homemade one on the website. Number 3, top this with salsa, guacamole, plain Greek yogurt or sour cream, shredded lettuce, and so on. And number 4, I reheat my servings of this in the microwave for around 90 seconds. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much shredded cheese. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below, and the first one closest to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more meal prep recipes like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe or all my crazy hand movements. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.